What are the best high-ticket affiliate products that you can promote? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 of the top high affiliate programs that you can join that are not within the make money online niche. I'm also going to share with you why it's possible for you to eventually make that high ticket sale and top valuable strategies on you becoming a successful online affiliate marketer. Hey there, this is Rupesh and welcome to this channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. And if you'd like to learn more on how you can get started with making money online, then check out my free training just by clicking on a link below this video on how to get started in the world of online business. Okay, so what exactly are high ticket affiliate products? Well, because they are much more expensive, if you have to sell them and promote them, you would earn a higher commission. That's all what it simply means. Now, as far as high-ticket affiliate products are concerned, you do get physical high-ticket affiliate products. And these include stuff like maybe luxury handbags, fashion wear, or even luxury watches. But I'm not going to talk about that in this video. What I'm going to talk to you about is luxury digital products. And the reason why you can make money selling these sort of products is, first of all, it costs very little for the vendor to manufacture it. They always have availability of this product. You don't have to do any shipping or any delivery charges or anything of that sort, because what happens is the second the customer purchases a product, they get it straight to their inbox and you obviously would get your high ticket commissions. So the first affiliate program is within the educational or teaching courses niche. Okay, so the first affiliate program is called Teachable, and Teachable is basically an online course creation platform. So this is for anybody who wants to create their online courses and coaching service, transform your experience and know-how into a thriving knowledge business. So you can always get started, the master of hand lettering, build a course. Let's go down to their affiliate program and check it out. So you simply go down and you click to the Teachable affiliate program, and it pays to partner with Teachable, because here if you refer creators to this platform, you can earn up to 50% commission by joining their partner program. And 50% commission, you just have to send traffic once and then you can earn recurring commission. And this is a really cool part about affiliate programs, is where you don't just earn a commission once off. Depending on the plans or packages that people may buy, you can earn various referral commissions. And this is the endorsement by Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income. And most frequently asked questions: can you really make money? Yes, our partners earn $450 per month on average, and many earn up to $1,000 or more every month. And they have a 90-day cookie in place, and you can make a 30% commission when anyone purchases a Teachable subscription. Plus, you continue to get commission as long as they stay on the platform. Okay, so the second high-ticket affiliate program that I want to talk to you about is called GoldCore, and GoldCore is basically an investment within the investment niche. And you can see this endorsement by a celebrity. Here we have Mr. Chuck Norris, and yeah, it's all about buying precious metals, gold, silver. They have news and articles on this website, and they have what is a AAA accreditation by the Business Bureau. Honest and trustworthy, verified, credit rating, Better Business Bureau, sorry, that's what I meant to say. And if you want to take a look at the affiliate program, let me just show you that the GoldCore affiliate program, if you are interested in helping people protect their retirement accounts from things like stock market crashes, dollar devaluation, and if you're an expert marketer that has knowledge in driving traffic and generating qualified sales, and if you want to enjoy the most exciting, profitable affiliate program, then if you answered yes, then they actually pay out more than $150,000 every month through its affiliate programs, and we're ready to double or even triple that number. So there is an application that you need to fill out. It's 100% free to join. There's no cost, and this is the payouts. There's no limit to how much money you can make with GoldCore. Of course, this applies to almost every single affiliate program. It's more dependent on your efforts. The program pays out on the 15th of every month via PayPal. And as far as cookie length is concerned, they say that they have a 30-day cookie length. So you could be earning money while you sleep. Of course, we cannot forget about the health niche, so this next affiliate program is within the health sector. Okay, so the health niche is obviously a very popular niche. Your health niche, your make money niche, as well as the dating and relationship niche are three of the biggest niches, but we're just going to talk about the health niche here. So SellHealth is the #1 health affiliate network. Join SellHealth today and start profiting from over 50 in-demand health products. They offer 30% to 50% depending on the products that you sell, and they feature products within the anti-aging, skincare, male sexual and female sexual health departments. 9 reasons why you should join them. First of all, they got over 50 high converting health offers. You can earn up to 60% commission on every sale, massive commissions, human support from real affiliate marketing experts. They also offer you a training session, which is pretty cool, and cutting edge technology, so you never lose a sale. So they must be talking about how they track your sales and your cookies and what have you. And we never missed a payment in over 20 years. So here's a testimonial. In the first 6 months of 2021, one of our amazing SellHealth events made over $244,000 in commissions. That's more than $50,000 a month on average, right? So these are some of the brands which they actually stock, and these are the various different categories that they specialize in, and I'm sure they have products within each of these particular categories, but you can check that out. Then they also have team behind it, so they show you transparency, and if you want to join, you can just click there to get started. They have a frequently asked section, and what health niche should I choose? Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Let's see what I say. Okay, it's quite a long thing that they have to say there, but you can check it out. And SellHealth products work. Just ask one of our fans. And yeah, so if you are thinking of actually getting into the health industry, then you might want to take a look at this high ticket affiliate product. And then the next high ticket affiliate product is within the travel niche, and this is Sandals 5-star luxury included resorts. So it's a travel site that offers various packages for folks who want to get away, and they've won numerous awards. If you were to click on there, you can see the awards that this particular site was given there and recognitions. Winner of the World Travel Awards in 2020 for 25 years in a row, Earthjack Island. So these are all the awards that they've got. Then they have various brochures. This is for folks that if you have a travel blog, you can just send people or to your link once you get a travel brochure or print brochure. If they happen to purchase anything or book anything from this website, you in turn will get a commission. And the affiliate marketing program are highly advertised and recognizable to anyone interested in the vacation. And they have 16 sandal resorts which offer luxury romantic vacations, honeymoons, even free destination weddings. Then they also have 3 beach resorts which offer the same quality vacations and so forth. It's free to join the affiliate program. They have a cookie lifetime for 3 months and 60-day return cookie. 60-day for increased commissions, up-to-date creativity, high commissions. They are actually partnered with Commission Junction, and with Commission Junction, that's where you can even get various tools like banners and so forth, like these sort of things, to actually use in your marketing efforts. And now we've come to the last niche, which is the website building niche. And in this niche is Shopify, which is an e-commerce building platform. Okay, for the Shopify affiliate program, create new entrepreneurs, earn more than just a commission. You can grow your brand with Shopify, access exclusive opportunities, and earn a commission through our referral program and become a Shopify affiliate. So there's a button where you can join. You can join thousands of affiliates from across the globe committed to your success. And these are the various affiliates who have success stories to talk about Shopify. And Nathan Chen, Steve Benjamin start earning. And then they have also a frequently asked section and what requirements they, how your check-ins are logged, how does payment work, and what is a Shopify affiliate program. They just talk about more about the affiliate program. And with Shopify, basically you can earn up to 100% on the hefty commissions. And it's an e-commerce shop building tool, and there's also a 30-day tool cookie that is attached to this affiliate program. Okay, so that concludes the 5 best-selling affiliate products. Now, of course, this list is just the start of what is out there within the online space. I just made this video so you can see that whatever niche you decide to go into, that there is that possibility for you to make a high ticket commissions. It's just a matter of you going out there and finding the right affiliate programs. Now, having said that, I want to leave you with some of the best practices of affiliate marketers, of successful affiliate marketers. The first thing is you need to know the in and out of your particular product. You don't want to just go out there and promote a scammy product, because at the end of the day, it is your reputation that is on the line. And if possible, purchase the product. If you can't, ask the vendor maybe if they can give you a review copy of the product. Or if you can't do that, then do as much research as you possibly can about the product, like you've actually purchased the product. Then the second thing is don't stretch yourself too thin. And by this I mean is, if you are brand new and you are starting to learn the affiliate marketing business model, don't hop from one training platform to another training platform. Stick with one training platform. Obviously, make sure that it's a legit business teaching training platform, and stick with it right till the end. And the second thing along those lines is don't use so many different strategies in your marketing efforts when you're just starting out. When I say like this, if you decide to go on one social media channel, then you bounce to another social media channel, eventually you get so overwhelmed. Concentrate on building the following on one social media channel, get it up and running, and then from there you can branch out. Then the other thing is, when you are promoting your products, you want to offer your clients a bonus, because at the end of the day, you want to say thank you from your side. Look, the product that you're going to be promoting, they're going to get value from their product, but it doesn't hurt to give them more value. And this means giving them a bonus from your side. Now, also remember something, that a client might not buy from the first time. Even if you made a really helpful video or a really helpful blog post article, they might still not buy from you from the very first time. Maybe it's just they're not having a good day, or maybe they're not ready to buy on that day. But you need to make sure that visit counts. And this is why you need to have tools where you can at least get their contact details. And the reason why is you want to establish a relationship with them, and you want to make sure that you keep giving them value, and you keep building trust and authority with them, and you keep getting to the point where they know you, they like you, and they trust you. Eventually they will buy from you. Of course, you also want to make sure that you use the right traffic sources. Now, I know this may sound a bit large, but you know what? I have created a free video training course on affiliate marketing that you can check out. So just simply click on the link below this video to access that video training. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will get back to you. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button now and share it with any of your family or friends who you find it may be of benefit. Don't forget to check out my free training. See you in my next video.